Thank you very much. First of all, I have two questions, and if I have a minute left, I have a small thing after that. Minister, what I'm asking is, when is the rollout of the vaccines to people at home, elderly, vulnerable people living at home, like a man in his late 70s in East Kerry who's had a leg amputated, who's had a stroke, who's had several other complications and problems health-wise in his life. Carers are in and out of his home on a daily basis to try to keep him alive and to keep him at home. He needs the vaccine. When will the people in Kerry get the home visits and the vaccines delivered to those people in home? The second question is, nurses and other people are coming back to administer the vaccine, and they can't get clarity as to how much they will be paid. And we need to pay them properly and see after them. They need clarity as to what they will get, or otherwise we'll be in trouble rolling out the vaccine. They're my first two questions.
Thank you very much, Chair. So, Deputy, with regard to those who are homebound, it is an absolute priority. We're very acutely aware of exactly the cases you're talking about. In a lot of cases, people who are very vulnerable, people who haven't left their home in a year. The National Ambulance Service is working very, very hard. They're moving through this cohort. The GPs are identifying their patients who weren't able to make it down to either the GP clinic or the vaccination centre, and the National Ambulance Service is going to their houses. I'll get you a note on the timing, but that is the process. And Deputy, with regards to people being trained as vaccinators, if there are issues with regards to people not being able to get the information, you just let me know, but I'll act on that straight away. It is certainly the case that the hiring process appears to have been more burdensome initially. The HSC has moved to streamline it as much as possible, but if there are specific issues, you just contact me directly. Thank you.
You can ask the question, but the answer may come at the very end.
He made a promise to the teachers and the frontline people, the guards and those, that they would get the vaccination to keep schools open, to keep the guards on the road. Can he follow up on that and ensure that he adhere to the promises that he made?